Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting a fixed sleep window and treating it like an appointment. This trains your circadian rhythm. Once you pick a bedtime, dim lights 60 to 90 minutes earlier and stop screens to reduce alerting blue light. Make the bedroom cool, aim for around 60 to 67 degrees, and reserve the bed for sleep only. As you do this, practice a short 5-minute wind down, deep breaths, loose clothing, and a brief mental checklist so your body knows rest is next. Now you reinforce sleep with targeted behaviors. If you're not sleepy within 20 minutes, get up and do a calm activity. This reassociates bed with sleep rather than frustration. Make sure caffeine ends by 2 p.m. and avoid big meals within 2 to 3 hours of bedtime so digestion doesn't interfere. Add a 10 to 20-minute relaxation practice, progressive muscle relaxation, diaphragmatic breathing, or cognitive diffusion to lower arousal. These steps reduce. To finish, monitor progress with a sleep log for 2 to 4 weeks so you can spot patterns and adjust. If problems persist beyond 3 months or you feel worse, reach out to a clinician for cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia or medical review. If sleep fragments, try brief sleep restriction. Reduce time in bed slightly, then increase as efficiency improves, and pair with bright morning light to anchor circadian timing. These final steps consolidate gains and give you a clear plan if setbacks occur.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.